Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. State how many solutions the following equation has. And we've been given the equation 6x minus x squared minus 10 equal to 0. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. For a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, the discriminant, which is defined as b squared minus 4ac, tells us the nature of its roots. If the discriminant is greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the equation has one real repeated root. And if the discriminant is less than 0, the equation has no real roots. So, to answer this question, we first need to compare the equation we've been given with the general form of a quadratic equation and find the values of a, b, and c. Then substitute those values into the discriminant to find its value before identifying the number of solutions. We've been given the equation 6x minus x squared minus 10 equal to 0. And the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. The coefficient of the x squared term is a, which in this case has the value minus 1. The coefficient of the x term is b, which in this case has the value 6. And the value of c is minus 10. Given the discriminant is defined as b squared minus 4ac, we can substitute the values of a, b, and c such that the discriminant is equal to 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 10, which simplifies to give us 36 minus 4 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 36 minus 40, which gives us the discriminant -4. When the discriminant is a negative value, the equation has no real roots. So the answer to this question is that the equation 6x minus x squared minus 10 has no real roots. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.